Ever wondered why you're always running out of money before the month ends? Why that raise or bonus disappeared so quickly? Or why some people seem to build wealth steadily, while others, even with good incomes, stay stuck? It's not just about how much you earn. It's about how you think. The single biggest financial trap isn't a bad economy or a low salary, it's the mindset. It's short-term thinking. And today, we're going to dissect exactly why this live for now mentality is the silent anchor keeping you in the cycle of being broke, and more importantly, how to break free from it. Short-term thinking is our brain's default setting. It's the urge to eat the donut now, skip the gym today, or buy that shiny new thing to feel better immediately. Financially, it manifests as the treat yourself justification, rewarding yourself for surviving the week by blowing $5,000 on a weekend splurge. The I'll start later procrastination, I'll start investing next year, when I have more money. The small amounts don't matter fallacy, that daily $200 latte, the unused subscriptions. It's just $200. The quick fix fantasy, get-rich-quick schemes, impulsive trading, lottery tickets hoping for a magic bullet to solve money problems. It feels good now. It reduces stress now. But it systematically steals from your future self. This isn't just about missing a few savings goals. It creates a vicious, self-perpetuating cycle. Stage 1. Lack of an emergency fund. Because you spend what you get, an unexpected medical bill or car repair forces you to borrow. Stage 2. Debt and interest. You use a credit card or a high-interest loan. Now, you're not just paying for the repair, you're paying extra to the bank. Your future income is already spent. Stage 3. Stress and scarcity mentality. Financial stress clouds your judgment. Your brain, in survival mode, can only focus on the immediate. Long-term planning becomes impossible. You're just trying to make it to the next paycheck. Stage 4. No room for investment. With all income going to expenses and debt repayment. There is zero capital left to invest, to buy assets that could grow and generate passive income. The wealth gap widens. Stage 5. Back to square one. The next paycheck comes, it's already allocated to old debts and current expenses. The cycle repeats. Indefinitely. This is the hamster wheel. Short-term thinking keeps you running tirelessly on it. The escape hatch is delayed gratification. It's the ability to resist a smaller, immediate reward for a larger, later reward. It's the superpower of the financially successful. Let's make it practical. Here's how to rewire your brain. 1. Pay your future self first. The moment you get income, transfer a fixed percentage, even 10%, to a separate savings or investment account. Before you see it. Make it invisible. This is non-negotiable money for your future. 2. Create a future budget. Don't just budget for this month. Have categories for 6-month emergency fund, retirement, next year's vacation, skill development course. This makes the future feel real and important. 3. The 72-hour rule for spending. For any non-essential purchase over a certain amount, wait 72 hours. The urge will often pass. This short-circuits impulsive buying. 4. Visualize your future self. Literally. What does 50-year-old you want? A peaceful retirement. A paid-off home. Education for your kids. Every small decision today is a vote for or against that person. 5. Focus on tiny, consistent wins. Don't try to save 50% overnight. Start with $100 a day. Celebrate consistency. Small, disciplined actions, compounded over years, create unimaginable wealth. This is the magic that makes long-term thinking unbeatable. Compound interest. A small amount invested regularly doesn't grow in a straight line. It grows exponentially. Because you earn returns not just on your money, but on your returns too. Person A spends $3,000 extra per month. In 20 years, they have nothing but faded memories of those spends. Person B invests that same $3,000 per month at a 12% return. In 20 years, they have over $30,000. In 30 years, it's close to $1 million. The difference isn't intelligence or salary. It's simply the decision to channel small amounts from your present to your future, consistently, and letting time do the heavy lifting. Short-term thinking trades your years of freedom for days of convenience. It keeps you poor not by chance, but by design, a design you have the power to change. Wealth is not an event, it's a habit. It's the slow, boring accumulation of daily choices that favor later over now. Your journey starts with the next decision. The next $100. The next time you pause before an impulsive buy. Break the cycle. Play the long game. Your future self will thank you for it. If this video made you think, share it with someone who needs to break the cycle too. And subscribe for more tools to build your financial freedom, one smart decision at a time. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now.